Gentlemen, you ask if your decision is not the only solution. And I say, no. If man can feed his stomach only by selling his soul, he solves no problem. He merely loses sight of them in the darkness. You ask if your decision is not just. And I say, no. When is it just? When has it ever been to make man grow for the bread that they have earned? You ask if your decision is not a wise one. And I say, no. When is it wisdom for to shred human dignity with lust and choice dictated by fear of hunger? Wisdom and justice are strangers to this room, and by your act you have covered not only this community but all decent men with the deepest shame.
Thank you.